How to add a phone number in Ring. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a new number. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see this three-line icon. Simply tap on this three-line icon, and here there's a section of account settings. Tap on account settings. So basically, we're in this settings interface. Here you can find different options and can even customize it. Here there's a section of phone numbers. Simply tap on phone numbers, and here you can easily add your phone number. So you must add the code and simply enter the number. Now a verification code will be sent to your mobile number, and you can easily verify and set up your number. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.